is easy and delicious. These tofu skin spinach rolls are super easy to make and so tasty. Don't forget to try them.
Fresh tofu skin rolls have a rich soy aroma with a subtle sweetness and a chewy, slightly elastic texture. When steamed, the wrapper becomes tender yet retains its structure, absorbing flavors while complementing the filling. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just fresh soy chip and baby spinach. Fresh soy chip tastes great in all kinds of recipes. Wash and drain baby spinach, then set aside. Baby spinach is packed with vitamins C and K, plus iron and folate, making it one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens. Its antioxidants like lutein support eye health, while dietary fiber aids digestion. Blanching spinach reduces oxalates for better calcium absorption, though overcooking destroys nutrients. Blanch tender spinach for just 10 to 15 seconds. Remove immediately when leaves turn bright green. Then shock in cold water. Overboiling 30s causes nutrient loss and mushy texture, ruining its crisp tenderness. Quickly shocking in cold water after blanching stops cooking, preserving crispness and vibrant green color. Squeeze out water and ice bathe after blanching for extra crunch. Frozen tofu skins need proper thawing first. Once softened, they'll unfold neatly for wrapping. 1 tofu skin sheet equals 3 perfect strips. Just peel them apart gently. Let's make spinach rolls. Gently unfold and flatten the thawed fresh tofu skin. Add a pinch of spinach to the edge of the tofu skin sheet, and slowly roll it into a tight cylinder. Just like this, it's so easy, right? Let me show you from another angle. This recipe has a light flavor profile, intentionally highlighting the natural soy aroma of the fresh tofu skin. For more depth, you can marinate the rolls with vegetarian oyster sauce beforehand. It'll add a savory umami base. Super easy to prepare with zero greasiness. A thoughtful homemade dish for grandparents, gentle on digestion yet full of nutrition. Arrange the spinach rolls neatly, drizzle with a touch of sesame oil, then steam them to perfection. Just select steam roast mode for 10 minutes. That's all it takes. Spinach rolls is ready to go. Finish by drizzling with soy sauce or tossing in dry noodle sauce, ready to serve. Feel free to customize the sauce to your taste, like soy with sesame seeds, Sichuan spicy dry mix, or even peanut butter for a creamy twist. All work wonderfully. Spinach is a women's health ally. Its folate prevents anemia, while vitamin K boosts bone density, ideal for pregnancy, menstruation. Anti-aging duo. Vitamin C boosts collagen plus beta-carotene, nourishes skin for radiant glow. Phytoestrogens balance hormones, fiber relieves bloating, and its low-calorie profile aids weight control. Craving crunch? Try the golden fried version. The tofu skin turns blistered and crisp while the spinach stays tender inside. The spinach tofu skin duo is genius. Crisp greens cut through the bean curd's richness with layered textures. Steamed for purity, fried for crunch, one ingredient, two totally different experiences. Which version do you prefer, steamed or deep fried? Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. There are 5,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. As long as one does not cling to the idea of actual meat or harbor any intention of killing, it does not contradict the essence of vegetarianism. Buddhism teaches that a pure mind brings purity to all things. What truly matters is the intention behind the practice, not the surface-level naming. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.